A clue. Squawk.
Huh? Who said that?
It's a clue!
A clue.
That was a clue? Where?
There.
Where is it?
Wait a minute, what is this parrot?
Oh.
Oh. A clue. You found our last clue, and it's a parrot.
Let's put this parrot in my Halloweeny notebook. Right. Yikes. Here you go. Okay. So, a parrot. Let's start with the parrot's body, a curve here for a wing, then an eye here, the beak, the tail, and the feet right here. There? A parrot, our third clue.
Hey, wait, our third clue? Our third clue?
Our third clue.
clue. Well, what are we ready for?
Thinking chair!
Right. Our thinking chair. Come on.